Hello, welcome to Gyendi Cocoa's chocolate making and molding class. This tutorial is to help any chocolate lovers learn how to make and mold their own chocolate. These are the ingredients you'll need. Gyendi white chocolate block, roasted groundnuts. First, I remove the husks from my groundnuts. In this tutorial, I'll begin straight away with my melted chocolate because I've already done the previous steps in a previous tutorial. So I recommend you check it out before you continue watching this video. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make chocolate bars. We shall be making white chocolate bars with nuts. I then mix the groundnuts with the chocolate using a spoon or spatula. I then pour this mixture into my molds. I got these molds from Capital Shoppers, but you can check any major Ugandan stores to find this type of mold. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions or just want to share your results, you can do so in our Facebook group, Gyendi Cocoa Baking and Chocolate Class. You will definitely get some feedback. Also, if you simply want to be part of a chocolate community where we learn from each other, you too can join.